If Beehiiv is down for you right now, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix the issue and get back into your account. Whether Beehiiv is not loading, showing a blank page, freezing, or just not responding properly, these steps can help you troubleshoot the problem fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, the easiest thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, use Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to reload Beehiiv without using the saved version that may be causing the problem. Sometimes the issue is just a stuck page or outdated files, and a hard refresh can fix that immediately. If Beehiiv still isn't working, open it in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a very useful test because private mode usually disables most cached data and avoids some extension conflicts. In Chrome, click the three dots and choose New Incognito window. In Safari, Firefox, or Edge, open a private window and then visit Beehiiv again. If it works there, the problem is likely related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store a lot of old data, and that can sometimes prevent websites like Beehiiv from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Beehiiv again. This step often solves login issues and loading errors. If you still have the outage or access problem, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Extensions can interfere with scripts, logins, and page loading. Turn them off one by one, or disable them all temporarily, then reload Beehiiv. If the site starts working after that, you've found the cause. In many cases, an ad blocker is blocking something Beehiiv needs to run properly. Another smart step is to try a different browser or network. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test Beehiiv in Safari, Firefox, or Edge. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or another internet connection if possible. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your browser, your network, or Beehiiv itself. Sometimes a DNS issue or local network problem can make a site appear down when it's actually just unreachable from your connection. Finally, log out of Beehiiv completely and then log back in. This can refresh your session and fix account-related loading problems. If your session has expired or become corrupted, signing out and back in can restore normal access. After you log back in, check whether your dashboard, newsletters, and settings are loading correctly. If none of these steps work, the outage may be on Beehiiv's side, and the best option is to wait a little while and try again later. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get Beehiiv working again quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.